After nearly a century, Hima Sohra once again witnessed the rare and sacred Leh Niam Thang Syiem, or royal cremation ceremony, as the remains of late Syiem Freeman Sing Syiem were laid to rest at Pomsohmen Sohra on Wednesday amid continuous rain. The elaborate ritual, steeped in Khasi tradition, marked the conclusion of the life and reign of Syiem Freeman Sing Syiem, who led Hima Sohra from 1981 until his death on the 31st of October 2025 at the age of 81. His cremation revived a traditional practice last observed 99 years ago, when the body of Syiem Roba Singh was ceremonially purified and cremated in the month of March 1926. According to historical records, the 1926 cremation was conducted under Syiem Freeman, who ruled Hima Sohra between 1918 and 1963. The line of succession that followed included Syiem Freeman, acting Syiem, from 1963 to 1973, Syiem Singh from 1973 to 1979, and Rose Mohan Roy, acting chief, from 1979 to 1981, before Freeman Sing Syiem assumed office. Today's ceremony began at the late Syem's residence in Procession, Sohra, where rituals were performed before the procession made its way to the Hima Sohra Syem's office and onward to Madan Maraikapon, where a public condolence gathering was held. The event was attended by a large crowd of mourners, including Syiem Maremdor Syiem, who was recently chosen by the Darbar Hima as the new Syiem on the 3rd of November 2025. In accordance with customary law, he led the cremation rites of his predecessor, a symbolic act signifying the formal transfer of leadership within the Hima. Also present were Arts and Culture Minister Sanbor Shulai, Sohra MLA Gavin M. Malim, KHADC Executive Member Powell Soklet, Sohra MDC Tito Starwell Khan, traditional heads from Malim and Khairim, Hima Secretary B.W. Ramai, members of the Hima Sohra Council, the Loyal Family and members of the Hima Sohra Council, the Royal Family and hundreds of residents. The day-long observance featured ritual dances, chants and cultural performances reflecting the community's reverence for its leader and its commitment to preserving age-old customs. The procession later moved to the Kpepki Syiem Sohra at Pomsohmen, where the final cremation took place amid solemn prayers, songs and ceremonial offerings. The historic rite, held after 99 years, not only marked the farewell of a revered traditional ruler, but also reaffirmed Hima Sohra's enduring bond with its ancestral heritage and the continuity of its leadership.
Kan kerjang Syiem lewat ke Leh Niam Thang, nang sa kan hiar nang ta. Kapan kengkip kita kibasyat kadak nang syat nakasang kasing. Sohra baginda kumjo kinsat tawel laisen lewat batmiat. Kane kadai kementar jong gating ayo khado. Yau Syiem mukmi pendat kanam baman ukim sa usting magway. Syiem bôi sốc bôi xanh xa đùa là trong ục lây. Hôi tiêu, hôi tiêu, hôi tiêu. Ok, ba bring. Ok, ba bring tuần bố lên nòng. berai itu keluar ke belengkot berai ke basubang berkebasuki. Dia berkatakan ni kita perkara penhiar kan ni kemet jong Syiem bang ba hak level ding. Bahkan perkara pensubah. Bapin nomata lengkot ngai tip sepi sepangi katu kan ni. Kis jeng thang Syiem mat Syiem jong Hima Sohra. Pemangitip baru. Kau play nung thao nung bu, kau play nung thao nung bu, kau play bayai, ai kadem kangu jingkar ku hangi me ai. Oi go, oi go. Leni, ai ki mati ulang suwa, kasih kapor hendai lah bernam Hima Sohra. Oi go, oi. Kerpat lagi nusyan mesti lagi kun kejar kahima ke bayan nanok steng inong penkrep itu ikapua Kota sosial banjir kecil manjur. Ada ke kamram jong Syiem bat ki menteri bat ki bakrau kena berengkam. Dia nak kata-kata ngakerpat ya Syiem. Ubangmu bini bujli hai taka jong Syiem dan ba blak lana. Bahkan penkui pensba ya ipa blak lana jombi. Long lakre na kaliang dikun jong Syiem nang ba. Pernah lagi gikun Syiem suara kita wan, oh gikun. Bu. Naladak ikon juai basi dia no Syiem kena bagi men ki para persa jong ladap ikon no Syiem melaklan bahaya sen jong ikon